How to fix Cash App decline for your protection. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Cash App declined transaction or payment failed for your protection. Now if you encounter the error message saying this Cash App payment failed due to cancellation for your protection, then what you can do is you can try a couple of solutions. Now basically the first thing is you want to verify your account information and identity. You can do so by opening up the app and you want to verify your account information and your identity itself. The second thing is that the account or the error might happen if there is an error or the issue with the recipient's account. So you want to contact the recipient or contact the person or the user that you want to send the money to or you want to send the transaction to, and from there you want to resolve any issues with their account as well. Now the third thing that you can try is what you can do is you can contact the Cash App support directly. Now here you can see on the website here I've searched in for Cash App and you can see Cash App getting started with Cash App logging in, and you can see contact Cash App support. You want to simply tap on it and you want to contact the support in able to fix the issue or resolve the issue. So this way you can fix Cash App decline for your protection. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.